Hello, this is Julia and Gregory at Team Tsougranis, Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to our newest exclusive at 2400 Davidson Avenue in the Fordham Road section of the Bronx.
This HDFC is an excellent opportunity for the prudent buyer. It's a great price, low maintenance, dog-friendly, and beautiful on the inside. You're close to major educational institutions, including Fordham University and Lehman College. So come on inside and get ready to fall in love. Don't be shy and come on inside. Check out this beautiful unit.
This unit features a soaring ceiling with a crown molding, brand new floor, and other renovations.
This is truly a turnkey unit. Everything has been done for you with top-of-the-line appliances. You've got stainless steel refrigerator with ice maker, microwave, stove, and you also have a washer and dryer. That's true, washer and dryer. Let me repeat that. You've also got hardwood cabinetry, plenty of space to put your things, and granite countertops. Just outside the bedroom, you have ample closet space. In addition, on the inside, check this out. They built an area for a bed up on top, as well as additional storage under the beds and extra space.
The renovations continue in the bathroom with the new tile work, rainfall shower head, and the modern vanity.
We're going to bid you farewell from the spacious lobby as you enter the building, since this is a first floor walk-in apartment.
Call Team Tsougranis today and reserve your private tour.
This baby will not last.